Tracking and editing serial numbers in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Lookup Serial Numbers window in AAAPOS RetailManager. This powerful tool lets you track the full audit trail of any serial numbered item, whether sold, returned, or still in inventory. To begin, go to the Admin menu and choose Lookup Serial Numbers. This opens a window where you can track and manage serial numbers linked to your stock. You can search for serial numbers using several criteria: by serial number, barcode, supplier, or customer number. Once selected, type in the number or click the search button to search from a list. The upper section displays the audit trail, a detailed list of every transaction involving the selected serial number or related identifier. To edit a serial number after a sale or return, look it up by serial number specifically. Once found, click Edit to open the Edit Serial Number window. Make your changes, whether it's updating the serial number or changing the warranty date. Then click Apply. You can print the audit trail for your records using the Print button, or commit to save. Then click Close to return to RetailManager. And that's it. You've now learned how to track, view, and edit serial numbers in AAAPOS RetailManager using the Lookup Serial Numbers window. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.